I embarked on a journey, and at the destination, I discovered it was good. And one good aspect of life is discover a good road, travel it, come back and lead people to that place so that they too will testify it. So I want us to journey to the book of John 7 verse 3 to 4. Jesus' disciples say to him, leave Galilee, go to Judea, so that people there, your disciples there, may see the good works you do. For no one who wants to become a public figure will act in secret. Since you do these things, go show yourself to the world. There are words I want us to consider from book of John 7, 3 to 4. Words like Judea, Galilee, secret, public figure, and go show yourself to the world. Because my message is coming from it, and I titled it, You Can Become a Public Figure. What then is public figure? For you to become a public figure, you must know what public figure is all about. Gers V. Robert Wenge defined public figure as an individual who assumes roles of a special prominence in the affairs of society, or who thrust themselves into the forefront of particular public controversy to influence the issues involved. So for you to become a public figure, you must discover problems of society, problems of family, problems of a nation, and then you go to the secret place, literally the Galilee. You go and learn how you bring that lasting solution to that your nation or to your family, because the foundation of this world is out of course. Who is going to put it right? Is that person that is going to be a famous person or a public figure? A person that is going to be conspicuous and to be made known everywhere is that person that is going to bring solution. Because you are waiting for me, I'm waiting for you, and that is why things still remain like this. Take a look of what is happening. You may be in a family meeting. When something is going wrong, nobody wants to say anything. Everybody will keep silent, and something is spoiling. Once one person raises up to say something, everybody will say yes, 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 because you are waiting for the person, and the person is also waiting for you. And that is why the Bible says that the world is waiting for the manifestation of sons of God. You are waiting for me, I'm waiting for you. So you speak up. What is that thing that is causing problem? Is it the foundation of finance is out of course? Go and put it right. Is it the foundation of marriage is out of course? Go and put it right. Is it the foundation of business is out of course? Go and put it right. Whatever that the foundation is out of course, go and put it right. Because if you don't put it right, it will spoil a lot of things, and you will remain in secret and become a secret figure. I charge you and I charge myself. Anywhere it is going wrong, anywhere the foundation of earth is out of course, for the world is waiting for us to come and put it right. We should go out and speak, because God has given us ability to do it. Somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is doing his own part. Somebody like Igboho is doing his own part. A man, a young boy in South Africa, 1979, was killed because there was a lot of bad thing happening in South Africa, and he said no, he cannot. His name was Solomon Kalushi Malango. He said, no, this thing must not continue. And he was killed. But before they killed him, he said what? He said that the blood, that his blood that they are going to spill, will nourish a tree that will bear the fruit of freedom. And they should go and tell his people that he loved them. And this fight must continue. But up till today, South Africa doesn't play with him. They established a school in his name. They did a lot. They established even square in his name. And because he was scared, that thing provoked international protests and condemnation of South African internal policy. Today, even if you want to rule South Africa, you must use that word he said, and everybody must refer to him. He's a person of public figure. Even when his mother came to talk to him the last, he said, "Mother, don't cry that my blood is going to burn so many Solomons. That he don't care about. I don't care about what is going to happen to me. That my happiness is because that my blood that they will spill will what burn so many Solomons." So for you to be a public figure, you must do that thing that God has given you. You must do a good work. And good work, anywhere you find yourself, you'll be looking for where to do that good work. Anything that is out of course, you put it to court. You put it in the right place. That is when you will become conspicuous, you will become known, and you become a public figure. So I urge you, I plead with you, and I charge you to become a public figure, because the world is waiting for your manifestation. The world is waiting for your manifestation, and God created you for you to do good work. And for you to do good work, you must leave Galilee and go to Judea, where you will do that good work. That Judea, that Galilee you are living, is a place where things are not happening to the place where it is happening, for you to put an end to that. And I believe at the end you will know that being a public figure is a good thing. It will bring a lasting solution, and it will bring God's blessing upon you. Okay, look at what happened in Lekki massacre. The blood they killed, the innocent people they killed that place have already nourished the revolution that is taking place in Nigeria. Do you think the revolution will end? It won't end, because they have already nourished the tree that will bear what they were killed for. So if you want to become a public figure, you must use an area of your body that you don't use to sleep. You use to lie on the bed, because it's going to bring that thing which you are aiming for. Do you think running away will solve the matter? No, it won't solve the matter. Going into that place, Bible says that a person who wants to live will die, but a person who wants to die will live. So if you are not trying or working or struggling to die in order to live, you won't live. But if you are struggling to live, understand, you will die. So go out, and that thing that has made the foundation of this earth out of course, go and put it right, because you are the one we are waiting for. You are waiting for me, I'm waiting for you. And if you are doing the right thing that you're supposed to do, and I'm doing the right thing that I'm supposed to do, everything will become okay and good. And the world will be like that, that after the creation, God saw that everything was good. Thank you for listening, and I will be very happy when you do what you hear. Not only when you hear, you don't do it. Thank you, and God bless you.